it. But
All right,
man,
yeah.
big deal, big deal.
It's a huge deal.
I can't wait, can't wait. Okay, here we go.
All right.
So. First time. And just rotate back and forth on
Okay.
that. So.
Could you do one where you narrate it real quick?
Yes.
Thank
So, middle finger on the 5th string 2nd fret, index finger on the 3rd string 1st fret is the
Okay.
first shape. And we're always going to be working on the 5th and 3rd string. Okay,
Gotcha.
just know that. So that's the first one. Second shape will be the 5th string 4th fret and the 3rd string 2nd fret. And really, I'm just hitting down to the 4th string on all those. Okay?
Yeah.
The 3rd shape we'll be using looks just like the first shape, except we're on the 5th fret and the 3rd fret.
Okay.
I'm sorry, 5th fret and 4th fret.
Gotcha.
Sound like that, okay? And so that's really the 3 shapes we'll be using. So we'll shape 1, shape 2, shape 3, shape 2 again, twice, shape 3, and then at the end of that we hit the top string 3rd fret, and then
Gotcha.
hit open, okay?
Yeah.
So that's the first time through. Second time through, you do first shape, second shape, 3rd shape, and then second shape twice, and do the same thing. This time hit the
Second time through.
Yeah, that's the second time through. You hit the 6th string again, 3rd fret, and then open.
Gotcha.
Okay, so. It's the first time. Second time. Okay.
Gotcha. Cool.